Hi everybody, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Now everyone knows how annoying removing makeup can be, especially if it is at the end of a long night or a really tiring day. There is a product that can possibly make the process a whole lot easier while being very sustainable. I am so excited to talk about the original makeup eraser which I have with me today. Now, if you are confused what is an eraser for makeup, it is simply a makeup remover, but it's one like you've never seen before. Basically, it looks like this. This is the original makeup eraser. It is actually just a cloth and it's made of 100% polyester. It is also a reusable makeup remover which is reusable for up to 100 washes. Now, the best part of this particular makeup remover is that it only requires water. So even if you are traveling or if you are located in a place which does not have a lot of resources, or you do not have any other kind of cleansing balm or micellar water on hand, that's fine. All you need is just plain simple warm water. I'm going to show you how this works as well as talk about my thoughts on the original makeup eraser. So keep watching this video. Now, the original makeup eraser came in this black plastic box. The color of eraser that I have is also in black color, which I am very stoked about. It comes shaped like an eraser, and at the back of the box are details about it. You can scan a QR code to see how it works. It's available in a couple of places like Tresmart and Amazon as well. At the side is instructions how you can use the eraser. Now first you have to wet it, then you have to erase the makeup, then you can flip it over to the exfoliating side of the wipe, and then you can probably even exfoliate your face. It's antibacterial and it lasts for approximately 3 to 5 years on waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, much more. It's also machine washable if you do not want to wash it with your hands. Now this is what the actual wipe looks like. It is this long in total. As you can see, it has two sides. This side with the more fine fabric is the makeup removing side. The other side with the tag on it, it has a not as dense, I would say, fabric. That's the exfoliating side. Now I have, for the purpose of this video, drawn on my hand with a number of makeup products. This is a waterproof foundation. This is kajal, more kajal. This is a lipstick, highlighter, mascara and some lip gloss. All of it is right here, and I have wet the side of my makeup eraser. I wet it on both sides. So this is the reusing side which removes the makeup. On the other side is the exfoliating side. So let me demonstrate how this works. It is wet and I am going to place it on my hand to remove my makeup. I'm flipping it over on to the exfoliating side. There we have it. My hand is, I would say, around 98% clean. There are a few specks of the highlighter on my hand and a little bit of the blue colored kajal right there, but I would say that's an amazing result from this. So let's round up with my thoughts on it. Now that you have seen a demonstration of the original makeup eraser, here are my thoughts on it. In fact, I find it a little difficult to even find fault with this makeup remover. There's almost nothing that I do not love about it. It feels very soft. It's made of 100% polyester and it feels very gentle on the skin. Even when I am using it to remove makeup, it doesn't feel any kind of coarseness at all. As you saw from the demonstration, it removed makeup very effortlessly. I didn't need to rub too much, but I did find that it was more of an effort with formulas like glitter and more waxy kind of formulas, even more waterproof ones. So that will require a little more effort when using this kind of a makeup remover. Of all, I like that it cuts down on so much product waste. I am a big believer in sustainable beauty, and this is something that completely fits that bill. It does not need any kind of additional product with it except water, and water is so widely available, at least in a developed country. So that's not much of an issue when you are using makeup and you want to remove it. You will most probably have water very easily available to remove your makeup. You don't need micellar water, you don't need any cleansing balms, you don't need cotton pads, or you don't need makeup wipes. It completely erases the need, especially for makeup wipes, which are not great for the environment. So I like that this product does so well and fares so well in so many ways because of all the formulas of product which I showed on my hand. Now all of them were made from different formulas and had completely different products, but the makeup eraser did so well to remove them completely. There were bits of residue, of course, like I did show you from the close-up, but I think with a bit of more effort to remove it and spending more time patting it dry and then removing would probably remove all the kind of residue. I would say from this demonstration itself, it was around 98 to 99% effective. It's also a great option when you are traveling because you will not have to carry additional bottles and smaller pouches of anything when you want to remove your makeup. All you need is this. And I think this is a complete winner for many reasons, for the fact that it is sustainable, for the fact that it works so well, and for the fact that this is something that would fit into any makeup addict's beauty kit so well. That's what I think of this product today.